Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to clean the inside of a Sigma 17 to 70mm lens. Recently I had this lens which had dust inside. I had to remove the front lens element, clean the lens inside, then assemble the lens. In this video I show you how I did that. As you zoom in and out, the lens collects dust inside. Mostly the dust is between the front lens and the second lens element. Fortunately it is very easy to remove the front lens, so complete disassembly is not required. So in this video I show you how to remove the front lens, clean the lens inside and then assemble the lens. Before I will start, let me talk about the tools that I will use to clean the lens. For disassembly and assembly I will use a PH30 screwdriver, a metal tweezers, a permanent marker and a lens opening tool. For cleaning the lens I will use an air pump, a brush, microfiber cloth and lens cleaning fluid. For checking the lens elements I will use a flashlight. If you're interested in buying them, then the links are in the description below. I hope this video will be useful, helpful, informative and adds value to you. If that's the case, like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation or buy a camera or lens from my webshop. Links in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. And in the description there's an update section. If I have anything to add to this video after it has been posted, then I put it there. So I would highly recommend to check it. So let's get started. This is the lens which will be cleaned. As you can see, there are some dust particles under the front lens element. Use a lens opening tool to unscrew the front lens covering. Remove the screws from the front lens element. Mark the position of the gasket. Start the cleaning of the inside of the lens with an air pump and a brush. Clean the surface of the lens with lens cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. Check the lens with a flashlight. Store the lens downwards and continue cleaning the front lens element. Clean the side of the front lens with a brush and an air pump. Clean the inner side of the front lens element with lens cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. Clean the gasket, then start to assemble the lens. Put back the gasket. Clean the inside of the lens and the inner side of the front lens with an air pump. Put back the front lens element. Make sure that the white dot on the front lens is aligned with the center of the lens. Put back the screws. Clean the front lens element with cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. Clean the cover ring. Put back the front cover ring. Clean the front lens again if needed. We are done with cleaning the lens. I hope this video was helpful, useful, informative and added value to you. If that's the case, then please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation, or buy a camera or lens from my eBay webshop. The link is in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching and looking forward to meet you in one of my other videos.